Hello mga friendship, another day, another vlog. Sunday yan, walang pasok ang aming papa. Kaya dinala namin sila sa playground na malapit sa bahay namin. At sobrang init that day. Kaya mga naka-t-shirt yan sila. Kasi yan, nagaganda ng mga bulaklak dito sa park. At magbabandi kami sa mga kids.
Hello? Hello guys, this is our secret playground. Come here. Mama, hold my snap. Let me play first.
Tuwang-tuwa ang mga kids guys dahil nakalaro sila kasi 1 week din umulan dito sa amin. Kaya yan, habang mainit ang panahon, pinaglaro namin sila. Tuwang-tuwa naman sila guys. Ali, gambate, go! Swing, go! Go!
Papa, help me. Papa, help me. Help me, Papa, help me. Papa, help me.
Oh, look at ate, oh. She can do it, oh.
Can you help me, Papa?
Oh, galing niya ate. Oh, you can do it, oh. Oh. Go. Go. Oh, like that. Don't put down, ha, your feet. Ha? Dali. Take care of your brother.
No.
Hey. Perfect.
Help me to go down.
Hala.
Go down.
I cannot go.
Go down. Give it to her.
Lock your legs. Sit down there.
Okay?
Ready? Get set. Go. Dali. Sit down there. And close your legs like this. Close your legs.
Me a little bit.
Hold tight, ha.
Me, Papa.
Tulak mo siya, Papa. Okay. Go. Tulak mo siya, Papa. Wow! You did it. Natili pa.
I want to see
Cross your legs. Break it out. There you go.
Oh.
I'm scared. Papa, hold me properly. Hold. But you have to hold me. Hold.
Tulak mo siya, Papa.
Tulak siya.
Ready?
Tulak mo. Push, Ali.
Push. Hey, there's a mosquito there, Ali.
Ayun na.
This scares people.
Ali, ate. Copy what Papa say, okay? Ka.
Follow what Papa said.
Follow what I say. This is the power.
Dance. What's the best dance? Asa. Ay. Aba. Hoy. Don't touch it. Ala. May tetano yan, Ali. Agad, Papa.